Hello and welcome to Ultimez Technology. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most talked about topics in the tech world, cloud computing. We will be covering the basics of what cloud computing is, how it works, and why it is essential in today's digital age. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a technology that enables users to access computing resources like servers, storage, and databases over the internet. Instead of storing and processing data on a local computer or server, the data is stored and processed in a remote location, often referred to as the cloud. How does cloud computing work? To understand how cloud computing works, let's use the example of a small business that wants to store and process customer data. Traditionally, the business would need to invest in expensive hardware, like servers and storage devices, and hire IT staff to manage and maintain the infrastructure. With cloud computing, the business can use a cloud service provider, like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure, to store and process the data. The business can access the cloud-based services over the internet using a web browser or mobile app. There are three primary types of cloud computing services: infrastructure as a service (IaaS), platform as a service as PaaS, and software as a service (SaaS). Let's use the same small business example to explain each type. IaaS, the business can rent virtual servers, storage, and networking equipment from a cloud service provider. They can install and run their own software on the virtual servers. PaaS, the business can use a cloud-based platform to develop, test, and deploy software applications without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. The cloud service provider manages the servers, operating system, and runtime environment. SaaS, the business can use a cloud-based software application, like Customer Relationship Management (CRM), software or email, which is hosted and managed by a cloud service provider. Using cloud computing offers many benefits, including increased flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. The small business in our example doesn't need to invest in expensive hardware or hire IT staff to manage the infrastructure. They can quickly scale up or down their IT resources as needed, and they only pay for what they use. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into cloud computing and its benefits. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.